Hey, I'm at the entrance of the Pnyx. It's right up this trail over my right shoulder. I'm going to walk in there and check it out. But the Pnyx, actually one of the birthplaces of modern democracy. However, I have talked to many historians, and pockets of democracy sprung up much earlier than it did in Athens 2,500 years ago in small different places. Actually, there's a city in Western Turkey called Patara. I made a video about it. I'll link it in the description below. And it was one of the capitals of the Lycian League, where a representative republic was formed. And this was, I believe, 500 to 700 years before Christ. I'll check that and make sure I have the right years in the description. But it was the capital of the Lycian League. League of cities on the Lycian Peninsula in southwestern Turkey, and each city, depending on its size, got a certain amount of representatives to the council. A large city got 3 votes, medium 2, and small villages got a single vote, and they would meet and govern. The Lycian League was mentioned in the Federalist Papers, I believe, by Thomas Jefferson and James Madison in the formation of the United States Constitution. A lot of people think that the U.S. is a democracy, but it's not. It's a representative republic. But it all originated from here, from Athens and Patara and other cities. Here, I'll just read this real quick. Pnyx was used as a place of assembly for the citizens of Athens from the 6th century BC to the end of the 4th century. Famous orators such as Themistocles, Pericles addressed the citizens from here. Let's get up there and check it out. Hill of the Pnyx. I mean, you throw a rock in Athens and you're going to hit an ancient structure. Pretty cool. Wow. How's that for a view? Acropolis. I was reading, this is where the orators would stand, and any Greek citizen was allowed to speak, and they would assemble here. And I've read reports anywhere from 5,000 to 15,000 people would be here, and they would vote right here until about the 4th century BC, when the voting was transferred to the Theater of Dionysus, which is on the other side of the Acropolis in that direction. But this is it. Wow. The Athenians would assemble here. Like I said, any citizen could speak, and they'd vote on the issues of the day. One of the birthplaces of democracy right here. There are a few people here, but not that many. Orators Bema. Very cool. I'm standing where they stood. One of the foundations of the United States Constitution was born here in ancient Greece over 2,700, 2,500 years ago. Look how cool Athens is. It's Mount Lycabettus. Of course, you know what that is. I mean, except for the city sprawled in front of me. I don't know if it looked that much different than it does now. But who knows? Very cool. Let's see if I can find my way out of here.